Hey everyone, Laura here with Rags to Rugs, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your fabric strips, the no-sew method, and we're going to get started right away. So the first thing we're going to do is take two fabric strips, lay one on top of the other. We're going to clip our wings because this is going to give your rug a much more polished look in the end. The next thing we're going to do is fold over those fabric strips a ½ inch and give it a ¼ inch slit right in the center like that. Open up your fabric strips, laying one on top of the other. The one on the top is coming towards you. The one on the bottom is going away from you. We're going to line those slits, find the end of the strip that's on the top, feeding it up through those slits, pull it through. More often than not, it's not going to go all the way through. At that point, you're going to turn it over, and you're going to see this little V here. Lay your thumb at the tip of the V, gently nudge that strip into the slit, and give it a gentle tug. And you hear that little pop. That means your strips are properly joined. We're going to try again with another strip. I've got another strip of fabric. I've laid it on top, clip the wings, fold it over a ½ inch, give it a ¼ inch slit, open up the strips, lay one on top of the other, aligning the slit. The one on the top is coming towards you. Your working strip now, made up of two strips, is going away from you and on the bottom. Find the end of the strip on the top, feed it up through those slits, giving it a gentle tug. Again, it's not going to feed all the way through without tearing your fabric. There's that V. Lay your thumb on the tip of that V and gently nudge that strip into the slit until it gives a little pop. And you've now joined yet one more strip. And that's all there is to it.